Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Now, I do not think they have a guest. I'm not for sure, but if they do, I am sorry. But let's take a look at my tablescape. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit of what I've put together here. We'll start with my centerpiece. The small vase is from Walmart, and what I've went in and added orange, yellow, and a few white flowers. The larger vase that's next to it with the boxwood is also from Walmart. The boxwood was from Joann Fabric, and the flowers in here are from Joann Fabric and the Dollar Tree. The table runner was from Hobby Lobby. And now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and break down the place settings for you. My placemat was from Home Goods. The glasses were from Goodwill. The silverware was from Home Goods. My charger plate was from Home Goods, and the dinner plate here was also from Home Goods. The salad plate was from Goodwill, and this dinner plate was also from Goodwill. The napkins were from the Dollar Tree, and the napkin holder was from Amazon. So as you can see, again, I've created a very budget-friendly outdoor dining tablescape. I hope I inspire and give you some ideas on dining outside with your family and friends. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving their information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their tablescapes. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this again. I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.